Hello, I'm Brian Johnson, and this is Better Cocktails at Home. We're here in our home bar, Quarter Deck Club, and it's a whole new year, 2024. We're going to do kind of a month of fun videos around sort of bar basics, really. I think kind of getting back to it, and maybe some people got a new cocktail book for Christmas, or maybe they got a gift card and they're interested. So that's kind of where we're going to start for January and do some little short videos and talk about a bunch of different stuff. So this one is the top 7 bar tools you need for any home bar. So that's what I'm going to say. So we're going to just go down through them real quick and talk about them really quickly. So bar spoon. They make all different kinds of lengths, sizes, all that kind of stuff. Just get one. It's much better for stirring. It's really easy. You can measure stuff out of jars. You can get cherries out of jars. Bar spoon, super important. Next up is a Boston shaker. So Boston shakers are 2 parts. You might see one with a large metal tin and then like a pint glass. I don't recommend that kind. I think it's a little more difficult to use. So get 2 metal tins. I think it's much better. And the nice thing about this is you don't really need a mixing glass because you can also do a stirred drink in the large tin, right? So kind of does both duties. Next up is a citrus juicer. So these are also called elbow juicers because it kind of bends like an elbow. This particular one has like a double joint, and I really love this model. I had a previous one, exact same one of these for almost 10 years, and I bought another one when it broke finally. There's a bunch of them. I really like this one a lot. It's from Chefin. Next up, fine mesh strainer. So you'll use this to double strain cocktails, get all like pulp out, that kind of thing. So yeah, it's one of those things where it's like maybe not, you can still make a good drink without it, but I think it's really important. I would say it's on the list of top 7 things. Next up is a knife, cutting citrus, obviously. Also though, you don't have to have like a citrus peeler to get nice little peels for garnishes. You can still use a knife, so it kind of does both. Next up is a Hawthorne strainer. So this is kind of that spring style. You'll see like ones with like long handles on it. Oftentimes they're in kind of really cheesy like cocktail kits. I've had this OXO one for, gosh, I don't know, over 10 years, and it works great. Next up is a Jigger. This is kind of a one with graduations on it, so I can see how much I'm doing. They make some that are kind of like the double style, where it's like 1.5 or half and 2 different styles. Those work too. But just something so you can consistently measure. But yeah, all these things together I think make up the 7 essential tools any home bar needs. So take those Amazon gift cards. Amazon's got some good products still. There's a lot more products now out there than there used to be even 10 years ago. Cocktail Kingdom has a bunch of great stuff. A Bar Above has great products. So yeah, there's a bunch of places you can go. So spend that Christmas money and outfit your home bar. And we're going to see you on the next episode of Better Cocktails at Home.